Hello and welcome. To convert an audio file with a waveform format to MP3 we need an Apple software called GarageBand. If you don't have it installed, download it for free from the App Store. I have an audio file in the waveform format that needs to be converted to MP3. To convert, launch GarageBand and create a new project by first choosing the New Project option from the sidebar, clicking on the Empty Project button, and then clicking on the Choose button at the bottom right side of the window. On the window that appears, select the left option under Audio. Now open the Input drop-down menu and choose No Input. This will allow us to use our own audio file as an input. Click Create. A new project is now open. Right-click anywhere on the empty track area and choose Add Audio File. Now browse to find your waveform audio file, select the file and then click Open. We have now added our waveform audio file as a track, but the track is slightly off to the left. We want it to be placed at the start of the track area. Click and hold on the track and drag it to the left until it reaches the starting point. Make sure the click feature is off by clicking on the purple click button in the toolbar. Now click Share in the menu bar and select Export Song to Disk. Give your file a name, choose a location, and select MP3 as your output format. For the highest quality, choose the highest option from the Quality drop-down menu. Click Export. Once your export is done, quit tab. Don't need to save since we have already exported the file. You can now go to your export location to access your file in the MP3 format. This is the waveform version and this is the MP3 one. Please give this a like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tutorials and tips, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.